Come back here in the next 1 month. You'll find a completely new newsroom. You would find our veteran journalists returning back to their desk. You would find information officers meeting, holding here with the State Director of Information. We are not mincing words about it. We are very clear-headed. We know what we want. The governor has directed, and we will do just what he has directed. The renovation became expedient because on my redeployment to Ministry of Information, it became very clear that we didn't have a ministry, we didn't have a secretariat, we didn't have a headquarters of the ministry that reflected the yearnings, that reflected the person, that reflected the idea, that reflected the ideals, if you like, of His Excellency the Governor, Senator Professor Ben Ayade. My governor is a man of excellence. He's a man of panache. Whatever he puts his hand to do, he does it very well. And clearly you understand that this is the face of government. The Ministry of Information is the state of government, is the voice of government, is the mouthpiece of government. And so it must reflect clearly our ideals as a state. When I got to Ministry of Youth and Sports in 2015, I saw almost the same kind of dilapidation, the level of decay. We turned that around, and today we are in Ministry of Information. What is important for us is that where we find ourselves, we must get things working.
I would say we're very excited that through the initiative of our new commissioner, he has swung into action immediately, and we're very excited. With the attendant benefits of a conducive atmosphere for work, it can only boost staff morale and therefore ultimately productivity and output of the staff.
It's a surprise to me, and it's equally very exciting that this turnaround is coming in at this point in time. And I'm sure I'm speaking the mind of all the staff. We are all excited about it, and we're very sure that it's going to help boost the morale of the staff to put in their best in the work to ensure that the vision of the new team, and if I may borrow the word from the driving force of the state, the spirit of enterprise, I think this is just what is happening here.